go ahead and show what I've done. You got the light out, just have to pop the lens off, and then there's 2 screws. The mirror's 3 screws, just gotta be careful getting that plastic piece off. There's a front piece that comes in this way, and then 2 that come in the sides. Got your visor. Someone told me it's an oh shit handle, gotta take those off. Those just kind of pop off and it looks like I can maneuver around it. And then back here, I just took off the oh shit handle. And then if you can see, these kind of just pop right out and I think I can get around that. I'm gonna try. Again, never done anything like this before. That one kind of popped off when I started pulling. Then I just got the visor and the oh shit handle for the driver. And then it should come out. I did have to take that. The lens pops off. I watched a previous video. Apparently the wire goes up to the front corner. Just leave that on the roof. And we'll take those off and try to pop this bad boy out. There we are. And then we're gonna pop these up. Flathead. I like to go from here because it's inside the handle, you won't see it as much. And just 2 little plastic pieces. I'm in South Florida. It's about 100 degrees, it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. That's why I'm sweating. Some of these are a pain in the ass. Just grab your 5/16 drum. On these, I let the screws kind of just fall in and then clip it back up. When you take this out, it has to come out like this. Because that little tab right there. You're just gonna want to punch in and twist. It'll come right out. And then for the other one, it's just pop the plate off and it is 2 screws. For these ones, I happen to have the tool, but Honda did it weird. It's a flathead, but. All right, so when we take that headliner out, that light that comes, the main dome light, the wire is actually glued to the top. So I'm gonna try to wiggle it out and kind of unglue it as I go. Again, I've never done this, so we'll see how it goes. All right. So that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to take the seat belts off and then take the whole piece off. It looks like it's a 14, so I'm gonna take those off and I should be good. Got the headliner out. I'm gonna go scrape it off. Probably tomorrow I'll go get some fabric, maybe order it online. I'm thinking about doing the Starlights inside of the fabric. Not sure yet, but it just comes out the back. So it's been about a half hour. I'm using this, it's pretty sturdy, but it's gonna take a minute. Whew. About 40 minutes in. You muscle it, you get a little bit quicker, but I just wanted to show you this real quick. When you're doing these cutouts, always go down. Always. Just want to point that out. All right, so got the headliner off. I took it easy around those. I'll clean it up more because I don't want that going on the adhesive. Now, I talked to an upholstery guy locally here in West Palm, and he advised me not to use even the 3M adhesive spray. He told me to use kind of like a Formica adhesive. So I'm gonna try like a Loctite kind of thing and see how it goes. But I'm still not sure what I'm doing with the lights. We'll figure it out. Oh, here's the car button.